HD liquid color correctors in 5 amazing shades, and each shade consists of 600 to 800 rupees. Honestly, I do love K-beauty products, but what if I tell you I have one palette in which you get 6 different shades? How amazing is that? Isn't it reasonable? I won't say it's a dupe product, but if you're a beginner in makeup and want to try color correcting, then this is the product for you. It's the Pro Concealer palette from inside. You get 6 different shades in this. I'm going to show you how pigmented this is. Just look at the pigmentation. If you have watched my previous videos, you know how much I've been loving this product, as this product is so reasonable and you get 6 different shades in this product. So today let's talk about color corrections. But my question is, if we have concealers, foundation, why do we need another set of products, right? I got you. And even if you want to use a color corrector, how to choose the right color according to your skin concern, that is another big question. And that is what I'm going to discuss in today's video. Let's begin. It is all confusing, so first let's talk about how a color corrector works. So color corrector is a makeup technique which neutralizes your tone using the right set of colors, whereas concealer is for covering. We have 6 different colors in one palette. My next question is how to use these different colors.
To blur the redness on the skin, you need to use a green color. Do a spot treatment like this. Then cover it with a concealer. And you get an even skin tone like this. Although I do not have a dark circle, I still have some discoloration. So to cancel out that, I'm going to use a yellow shade. Next, I'm going to gently blend it. I can now see some brightness under my eye. Next, I'm going to use a lavender color onto my cheeks. And some on my forehead. I love it because it gives me an illuminated look without a highlighter. I'm going to do the same on the other cheek. Make sure you blend the whole thing very nicely. Next, I'm taking a darker shade of brown to do my contour. The orange color from the palette helps to cancel out darkness underneath the eye for medium to deep undertone.
Not everyone needs color correctors. You can also cover your concerns with concealers and foundation. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Share this video with all of your friends who are just beginner in makeup. I will see you next week. Bye.